I'm Dusty Roberts. I'm the team leader here at Luv-A-Rug, and hey, I love sharing stories from our clients. This is a story about rugs from different places in the world. We brought in a collection of carpets from my father's home to be cleaned. Some were from Mexico and some were from Turkey and Iran. All needed cleaning badly, and some even needed repairs. Dusty looked at the carpets, gave me information about the Asian origin of the carpets. Luv-A-Rug did a great job. All the repairs are excellent and the rugs look like new. In fact, we didn't recognize a couple of the carpets as the original carpets had re-emerged. We are very happy customers, and we have just taken in 4 more carpets to be cleaned. Terry H., Victoria, BC, June 27th, 2016. Well, we love rugs. And we love rugs from all over the world. We love taking in rugs that are challenging. I mean, we're talking rugs where, you know, the edges are worn out, the fringes are falling off, there's holes in them, they're full of pee-pee, you know, from dogs and cats, they're just a mess. You know what? We especially love taking in family heirlooms so that you can fall in love with that rug that maybe was so important to your grandmother or your grandfather. That's what we do here at Luv-A-Rug. We love rugs. It's our name. I'm Dusty Roberts with Luv-A-Rug.